Welcome back to our tutorial. This is Unlimited Monies Blog. In this video, I will not keep you waiting. I've been making videos about this topic, so I'm only here today in this video to show you the withdrawal process and the live withdrawal of MEPAS, known as MEC token. This is the token I'm talking about. If you can see the token, before we go further, let me first open the account and show you some things you may want to know. So that is where the token is reflecting. I'm having two accounts. If you can see in this is my new account, another one. This one has not yet accumulated up to let's say 1 or 2 MEC token, but already I have one here which is under staking. So is this staking? How can you earn from this platform, this token? This MEC token, you see here, you claim daily. You claim you are doing your daily check completion every day and you'll be having money. You can also refer people and have earn up to. If you see that if you refer each person that you refer, a successful referral will give you up to 0.1 MEC reward, and which is a very big money to your wallet. Okay, another way you can still earn is that daily, or you can stake your MEC token here in this place. So once you stake in there, you will see your accumulating balance. My own is still running up. I'm still allowed it to accumulate until I would like to take it to my main balance. So once you want to take it to your main balance, this is where you'll be clicking. This is where you'll be clicking. Once you click on here, you can be able to claim it by clicking on this below button here. So once you click on the button, it will take you to it will withdraw the money to your main balance here. So this is where your balance will be reflecting. But before I will do the live video, I will use my other account to run the video so that you will see it, because I'm having about 6 or 5, either about 6 or 5 MEC token in that account. But I will use this one to show you the process on how to do it. Before you can be able to run everything, first of all, you must have your MEPAS account verified. Once you finish your KYC, this is the KYC MEPAS, you must have it. So if you don't have it, that means you will not be able to continue the process that you want to continue in this video. Another thing is, if you want to continue in locking in, you must have your ME transaction account. How will you have it? I will show everything in that video. Let's get started and want to log out and log into my another account now. This is the next account. I have some MEC token in this balance. So like I said earlier, you must have this ME transaction so that you can be able to do your live withdrawal and have it into your local bank account. How can this work? With this place, if you have not having an account, click on this area known as go to register. You click on the register here. So once you click on the register, the next thing for you to do is for you to move on the pass security question. Once you finish it, what you have to do is to come to the Meta MC account. You click on the connect to authorize it. So once your authorization is successful, you come back to the browser. Come back to the MEC token, click on the login where this MEPAS login. You log in through the MEPAS account. You slice in to configure to security lock. After that, you click on this place known as connect. You connect again. It will be successfully authentication. So you come back again to the browser. You see, you wait a little time. It will load and it will open. So once it's open like this, you can see everywhere. You can trade your MECP2P account here, so you can see the current balance now. You can go offline, you can go online. So in other ways, we want to trade, you don't want to keep anything wasting. You can see that the value of this person is 3.1 USDT. So that is where you want to do, and you can see the quantity and the available rates of this place. So if you scroll down, you will see some vendors that are ready to buy your MEC token and very well. But before that, you click on this area, personal center, so that to be able to move and set up your everything. You must set up your wallet address, set up your username, your password, and your security password before you can proceed this take this process. Now you go back to your main account. Let's go back to our account now. After that, I want to take my transaction with this person. I want to sell my MEC token to this particular person here. I can see he has accepted everything here, Binance, Bits, and so on. So these are things that is accepted. I think it is okay for us to go with this person. So by using this person, like right here, this particular person, you see the rates and the unit is doing well. So I think we can go with him. So the next thing here is for us to click on this sell. So once you click on the sell button, you have things here to do. So what you have to do, first of all, you put how many this thing you want to put, because you must have some you check my balance. Let me show you something. Let me show you my balance here. I have of up to 7 MEC. So I will not use all the total 7 because it will charge up to, you would need to pay some gas fee. So if you see this is how much I will be having in my USDT. So 6.9 currently is 21.89 USDT. Click on the confirm button. After that, you see we have the required deposit of 7.038 MEC because there are some escrow fee that need to be charged. during the deposition and the transfer. So now you see that the person here right now is not available, so we have to go back and choose another person. We can go with the second person here. So going to the second person here, the same thing like the other one, type in the amount, exactly what we were looking for, what was up here, the same thing here. So you click on the button below. After you have confirmed, you click on the go to authorization. It will take you to the MEPA's account. Click on the confirm, click on connect. Once you click on the connect, it will connect successfully. Then you come back to the it will be loading and it will show you the wallets that you have sent the order. So the order is yet to finish in the next 4 minutes, so you have to wait a little. You can go to the chat and chat the person. You see the details, how everything is being lit. So you have the wallet address here that you want to pay, make the payment to me. So you copy the click on the copy button to copy, or you can scan it. You can chat the person like here. You can click on the chats and have conversation with the person, the vendor that you are making your transaction with. So but not that, what you have to do here is to navigate to your after you have copied, navigate to your MEC account. Like here, you click on the send, you paste the address that you copied from the vendor, then you type in exact amount. Don't add anything, don't reduce. Exact amount. You see what I'm doing here. See, you have the gas fee of 0.001. So you click on the continue to continue confirm, put in your pin. So after that, you have it successfully. After you have it, you see everything, the transaction and the MEC gas fee. Then you come to this area. It will see it maybe network make it failure. Don't worry, continue to click the button. If you have this encounter, don't mind it. Continue to click the button till you have it successful. That is network issue. So it will be successfully. Now it's waiting for the buyer to make your payment in the next 90 minutes. So you can chat the person. You can send the person the screenshot of your transaction, or you can have a normal transaction with the person and so on. But to make it something possible, I likely to make the screenshots. You make a screenshot of your transaction so that it will be easier and simple for you to prove your transaction. Okay, the vendor is saying that I should wait a little. Say I should wait, that give him a few minutes. Okay, he has returned to me that he has completed his payments, which is I have to go and confirm. But you don't need to do anything there. Go to my Bybit and check if the transaction is solid. I can see it's here 21.89, the last transaction that I have here. So after that, you can see the receipts here 21.39 USDT. So by seeing it successfully, I know that he has made his payments. So what I have to do is scroll down and click on the button below. If you really confirm that your payment has been made, you click on this below button here, this below button known as I have placed a payment. But if there is any issue, you can click on the red button here, go to appeal for the transaction. So since this one has been a successful payment, I have to scroll down. I click on this place known as I have received my payments. So once I click on the receive my payments, what next? They will show me a dialog like this, telling me a pop-up button that are you sure you want to receive you want to receive it. And I say go to authorization, I go to confirm, I click on connect button as usual, and it's successfully authorized. So I come back to my MCA MEC2P. So from there you see the thing is waiting for the chain to confirm to the completion. So after that you refresh, it will successfully transact successfully. So if you want to confirm if the transaction has been made, come to my account here. You will notice that everything is reducing. So I'm having 0.039 right now. So the transaction is going smoothly and properly. So its withdrawal is super simple, just like what you are seeing. I believe you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, share the video, and also if you are new to our channel, stay with us for more tutorial like this by clicking the subscribe button. Once again, like the video and share it. See you again in our next tutorial.